Hey guys, welcome to the first Python tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to download and install Python on your computer. First of all, open your browser and go to www.python.org. As you can see here, it is the official website of Python. You can find all kind of information and resources about Python here, like documentation, latest news, events, etc. Now to download the Python installer, click on this download button. Here you can download the latest version of Python, which is currently 3.8.5. If you are not on Windows machine, you can choose your OS here. Down here you can see the previous versions like 3.7.5, 3.6.8. If you want to download, you can download it from here. I am going to download the latest one. So I have downloaded the installer, as you can see this. Just click on it, then click run. Here you can see two options, install now and customize installation. By default, Python is going to install at this location. If you want to change this location, choose customized installation. And the most important part, don't forget to check this add to path checkbox. It is necessary to add Python to the environment variables. If you click on install now option, Python is going to install on that default location directly. You don't need to do anything. But for this tutorial, I am going to click on customize installation to show you all the available options. Here you can see we have optional features such as documentation, pip, IDLE, launcher, etc. I am not going to change anything here. Just click on next. You can see here some advanced option. Down here you can see the install location. If you want, you can change it. This location is perfectly fine for me. I am just going to click on the install button. This is going to start the installation process.
A few moments later.
So finally our installation process is completed. You can find here some links for online tutorial and documentation. Also you can see here a warning, just click on it, it will disappear. To check the Python is correctly installed on your PC, open Windows PowerShell. Here enter command Python. You can see the Python version that we installed. It means the installation process is correctly completed and Python is successfully installed on your machine. Now let's go to the start menu. You can see here in recently added apps Python 3.8 manual. Below it you can see Python 3.8 IDLE. Click on it. The Python shell will open. Let's write simple hello world program. Print simple brackets hello world inside double quotation mark. If you press enter, the Python shell will give you output. As you can see here, we have our output hello world. So guys, that's it for today's video. We are going to see how to install PyCharm on your PC in the next tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.